it's your girl lajaunea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are having a very productive Saturday. I literally just posted on Instagram that like slow Saturday mornings are like my favorite. We're having one today. I swear life is better when you just wake up and turn your swag on. That's half the problem, y'all. That's half the battle right there. I swear, I promise. I literally haven't done much today. I just slicked my hair back, which I should have recorded. Like, what am I on? I slicked my hair back. I had a little bit to eat. Now I am drinking my water. Right now, I need to get dressed. I need to run to the gym because I think I'm gonna do like a quick little 30-minute Saturday morning workout just to get my body moving. But we have stuff to do today, guys. Again, I have to go to the store. I'm learning that like living by yourself is literally going to the store every single week. I have now learned the ways. I used to be like, why do people go to the grocery store so much? But now that I'm here, I'm here. So I need to go to the store. I need to clean my kitchen as well because I made some dinner last night. We got a couple of things on the roster today. So we are being so productive today and I cannot wait to bring you guys with me. Let's get changed for our little morning workout. Okay, y'all. Your girl is dressed for the gym. Y'all, hopefully my camera's in focus. I'm doing this one more time. Pink shorts, Amazon top, TikTok shop. And for my shoes, I'm wearing my little New Balances, which I bought these like a year ago, y'all, and I just literally have not let up. But before these, I was obsessed with my other shoes, which I think they're New Balances too. I can't even think of what they're called right now. But I used to be obsessed with my other pair, but these running shoes are the lightest, y'all. And I feel like that's why I'm so obsessed with them, is because they feel like nothing. They feel like Nathaniel. I feel like I'm not gonna work out like extremely hard since it is Saturday, because you know I work out during the week. But I at least want to move my body today. Like I want to make sure I do like the Stairmaster. I'll probably do one or two like good leg movements, but nothing crazy. Alright, y'all, we're all laced up. We're good to go. I'm gonna grab my headphones, my water, and I'm gonna take my creatine.
This one I bet you me, I know get time. Dada cover my face, calling me Biggie man, we do what's it going?
Okay, you guys, workout is complete. Your girl is back. I drank every single last drop of my water, y'all. Even though that was a light workout, I still feel kind of like I feel worked. I was fighting the workout and the workout was fighting back just a little bit. Why is this a little heavy today? But we are about to get in the shower. I literally really so badly need to put earrings on. I look like a boy, but I'm going to hop in the shower, put on a little bit of makeup, and we have to head to the store. I literally thought that the e.l.f. primer was flawless, which I love it and I'm not gonna stop using it, but I have noticed like put it on in areas where you're not putting on makeup, it kind of stays sticky all day and I don't like that. So I'll try to put like a little bit of powder maybe like in the places, like for example my jaw. When I do this makeup, I don't put any makeup on like my jawline really, except for maybe a little bit of contour, but I always have to make sure that I have like powder and contour. I always try to make sure I have enough on there so that it's not sticky, because I hate to touch my face and like, you know, feel sticky. The rest of this, y'all, is gonna be kind of like a little mini montage because your girl's about to kick it into high gear.
That's my bro, my family, frozen traits. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one.
Final makeup look. She's simple, she's clean. You've been watching me for a while and you already know how obsessed I am with my no makeup look. Fragrance of the day, y'all. I'm obsessed. I already sprayed it, but it's called People Are People, y'all. 10 out of 10. So good. It's time to do what I have put off doing for so long. Let's go to the store. We have made it to the store. I'm gonna try to make this quick. I feel like that's one of my goals right now, guys. I'm personally trying to become a way faster grocery shopper. Like, it takes me way too long. It takes me probably like at least 40 minutes. I'm trying to cut today's trip down into like 25 minutes. Let's see if that's possible. Y'all, they have so many Olippops at this Walmart. Leave me a comment down below if you drink these. What's the best flavor? Because I really do want to try another one. I can't remember which one I've already had, but I know I haven't had like any of these flavors. These are crazy. Ridge Rush. Oh, this one doesn't even have like a specific flavor. That's weird. But yeah, what's y'all's favorite? The people that know, these are better than regular hot Cheetos. Don't argue with me. Thank you. This is absolutely no brain cells involved when I pick this up, because this is a no-brainer. I've officially been influenced on the tea. I want to try one. I think I want to try a bedtime one. See if it really helps me go to bed, even though honestly I don't have no problems going to sleep at night. I'm gonna try this one just for a good little like wind down. All right, y'all, cart's full, let's go. Me and my people be rolling. I have survived the task of bringing in all my groceries. Apartment living, that's the one thing. In and out, in and out, in and out. It's so annoying. But now I'm going to put away all my groceries. I don't think I'm gonna film that part because I always show you guys putting up my groceries and I feel like it's boring now. And then we are going to clean up because this kitchen needs to be cleaned from last night when I made dinner. I should have recorded that, but I made like some chicken breast. It was fire, but I feel like it still smells like fried whatever in here. So I have this really cute plant. I think I got this plant from Ross, I believe. This is one of the items that I got from Burlington. As you guys saw, I got 2 of these, so 2 hourglasses. But this is like a detailed, so you can see it better. It's so freaking cute. Better view of the globe. Like, how cute is this globe? It's actually so pretty. And again, the marble, I'm obsessed. Really, really pretty. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I actually am starting to really like it. I'm thinking for fillers, I need like some books for sure. Some that like stack horizontal and vertical. I need some photo frames. I can't think of what else. I'm like gonna go on Pinterest and figure it out. If you have any suggestions on what you think I should do to the shelf, please let me know. I am so open. So there's actually another set of these shelves in my apartment in my guest bathroom. So that'll be like the next thing I tackle after this. Guys, so now I'm just here editing actually this video that you're watching. But I do feel like I'm going to end the video here. I am literally just gonna shower and chill tonight. That is my plan. You guys make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what videos you want to see next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.